Hey guys, I'm Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have 4 Dollar Tree DIYs for Valentine's Day. So for this first one, I am making a big sign out of these two love signs from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be removing everything first. I'm also removing these galvanized hearts, and I'm going to save one for my sign. So of course, after removing that, I have to sand it down to sand off the glue, and I did sand down the words as well just to make it easier to paint. That way it covers it very well. Now what I'm doing, which you need to be careful, you see how I have my hand above where I'm using the scissors, then I move it back. I've done that so many times, so just be very careful and do not put your hand where I had it previously. I'm just removing the glue in between the faux shiplap. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Now I'm taking my hot glue gun and using that to put these two signs together. Like I always say in my videos, this is just for video purposes. If you want it to be very secure, use E6000 or a stronger glue. And then I take popsicle sticks, and this is actually going to give it a really sturdy hold. So that's why I'm using a lot. Time to paint. I'm just using some chiffon chalk paint since I don't have actual linen white or white linen chalk paint. And I give it about 3 coats, letting it dry in between each coat. You also might notice while I'm painting that I'm trying not to get the paint inside the faux shiplap lines. You could leave it just the way it is. It looks good just like that on camera, but I decided to go in with some brown paint in between the lines just to make the shiplap look more visible. Now I'm using these Walmart stencils, and I'm taking some black paint from Apple Barrel and going in the Be Mine Valentine. And I bought this big pack of holiday stencils at Walmart a while back for I think like 10 bucks. Now I do like them, but I just don't like it that it's not plastic. I feel like these won't last long because it's kind of made out of a really thin cardboard. Alright, so this is where I kind of mess up, but remember guys, anything can be fixed. I was trying to deepen the red color because it's a really bright Christmas color, actually used for Christmas, and look how it comes out. Oh my god, it's like super dark. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have added way more red, but anyways, I did kind of sit there and then added some more red, and then I used my sponge brush that had some of the chiffon paint on there to line it up. So yeah, I did fix it a little bit. I'm adding some Dollar Tree twine to the top and bottom just to give it more of a farmhouse chic look. I'm taking some black ribbon that I have had for a while and using it at the top and bottom of the sign just to fill it in more and cover up those holes. Now for these DIYs, I decided to use black in each of the DIYs because I like that look. It reminds me of a very farmhouse chic type look. For this next one, I'm making a bouquet with these really pretty roses from Dollar Tree. Also from there is this round floral foam, and then this black pencil holder, which I thought was a candle holder, but when I looked under, that's what it says, and I was like, oh my god, this is perfect for that. I'm just using a popsicle stick. I have so many of them, so this was perfect for that. So I can stick this brown floral foam on top of that. All I did was pull each rose off of the stem and then add glue to each one and start sticking them in there. I noticed that it was kind of moving around a lot, so you'll see in a minute where I start to add hot glue so it stays still. And as you can see, it was still lifting up, and I was wondering why, and it had this piece of like felt, so I just added more glue to that. The two colored roses I picked from Dollar Tree are just so pretty. They do not look cheap at all. They're both pink. One of them is like a darker, more peachy type pink, and then the other one's a really light pink. They have so many different choices for roses. These greenery stems at Dollar Tree are back again this year, and I'm just adding only the greenery parts of it to the bottom of this. At first I was trying to add hot glue to this, I'm not sure why, and I ended up just not having to and just sticking them in there.
Curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always...
For the third DIY, I'm making a pillow out of these Dollar Tree bandanas. And as you can see, I did purchase two because it comes with a heart bandana and then a buffalo check pink bandana. So I had to buy two so I can get buffalo check on each side of the pillow. I start off by measuring the bandana because my pillow is a 16 by 16 inch pillow, so I need to figure out where that's at, mark it off, and then I will fold it and then just use hot glue. For this DIY, I am using a pillow that I already had. They do have real small pillows at Dollar Tree that you can use too. Or I've actually done this a different way where I picked up a really cheap pillow from Walmart or Target, which is only about couple bucks, and then once I figure out the size that I want of the pillow and glue it together, then I just add the stuffing from that pillow from Walmart to the inside of the pillowcase that I make. And if you want to see how I've done it that way, then I will link it below. Alright, so both are done. They are both 16 by 16 inch. And what I am going to do is put them this way to where the wrong side is facing outward. So basically this is the inside of the pillowcase, and I'm going to glue it down this way. Once I glue three sides up, I'm going to leave one side open and I'm going to turn it inside out, which will be the correct way, and then put my pillow inside. Just keep watching and you will see what I'm talking about.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that...
So now we're at the part that I have glued three sides together. I left one side open. So now I'm going to turn it inside out, which will be the correct way. And I'm just using a Sharpie or a pencil, whatever, just to push the corners out, and then I will stick my pillow in. And that is pretty much it. Once I do that, then I just glue the remaining area.
curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise.
For the last one, I am making a Valentine's banner out of these Dollar Tree objects, which are the 3-piece decor galvanized set, which includes love, XOXO, and Valentine. And then I have these wooden hearts and some twine. Now, remember guys, I'm using these specific colors, but remember, you use whatever colors you want. It's up to you. So I'm painting 2 hearts red and 2 hearts black. To give the hearts a little more detail, I'm taking some of that chiffon paint and drawing a couple of lines on the edges. Now I'm taking some red ribbon just to make 2 bows to add next to the black hearts. This ribbon is ribbon that I've had, but they do sell ribbon at Dollar Tree. To keep the hearts in place, I tie a knot on top of it and then add a little bit of hot glue in the back. Took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. When I give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed these DIYs. If you have any questions, leave them below and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry.